Ishita Davar, Namaskar from India. I just want to thank you from deep from my heart, especially Motivational Tips and Gujarat Sahitya Academy, that you can give me that platform to show my interest and appreciate you people very much. The concept which you came with, it's really a brilliant thing, and there is no discrimination on this platform. I really love to being on that platform, and I really blessed that people loves me like that, and you accept me with full of heart, and you appreciate my poems, my feelings, my thoughts of what I feel from inside. I just thanks to all the people who drag me and pull my legs and push me up, that power that God give me that power to come up with that force again, and in deep of my heart that feeling is I can do it. I never give up. I never give up in my life, and it's really a heartful feeling. Thank you so much for your love and support and appreciation. The small thoughts which I want to share with you here is: life is a poison. Life is a poison which slowly inhale all cremation, burning smoke in our life. We usually find good faces in our life for treating right, but life never be like as we want in our life. Same good, bad, thanks, gratitude, admire, pain, cracks, burns, wants, happiness, sadness, these phases in our life. Journey never look like a good face. In turn old one day, never look for a good skin. It will wrinkle one day. Never look for a hot body. It will change one day. Never look for a nice hairs. It will turn white one day. Intent took a look for a loyal heart that will love every day. Life change in a minute. Storms, volcanoes, rain, greenery, pain, mountains, everything have their own beauty in it. So appreciate what you have. Appreciate what you want. Appreciate what you want to see. Appreciate all those people around you who loves you, who appreciate you. Take a break from those negative people and come in that positive area in your life. We see many who don't want. We see many who don't have eyes, still they have a beautiful gestures. We see many don't have hands, still they have a good fortune. They don't have palms, but they have a good fortune, because these matters. These simply matters. We see many, we don't have ears, legs towards life, which makes them potential in their life. Thank you God for everything which we blessed with. Thank you God. I am a single proud parent. I never feel shy to accept that yes, I am a mother of a daughter. And I really feel proud that what I am today. I don't bother about my past. I see with the positiveness in my life, and this platform is very beautiful. Thank you for everything. Thank you from my heart. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay happy. I love you all. Thank you so much.